Hello everyone, welcome back to your Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can change your Apple ID password. You can very easily change the password of your Apple ID by following these few simple steps. So let's begin. First of all, open a new tab and on the search bar type in appleid.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Here you need to click on the sign in and get logged in into your account. Now I'm gonna log in into my account by typing in the Apple ID of mine, typing in the password, click on next. As I have activated two-factor authentication, I'm gonna receive a new code. So I'm gonna type in the code in here to get logged in. If you have registered to authentication, you will also receive a code on your mobile phone. Now you have been directed directly to your profile page. Here inside profile page, you will see the option of security over here. Inside security, you will get the option of changing the password. You just click on change password, and with that, you just need to type in your current password that you have just logged in. Then you type in the new password for your account. You need to retype the new password for the confirmation. Once you have typed in your current password, then the new password, you just need to click on change password. With this, your password has been changed and updated to the new one. This is the way how you can change your password for the Apple ID. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.